Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 30th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So the dollar index is drifting down a little bit, but it didn't really turn at a fib level. We have FOMC interest rate news this evening, and that's a very big news event, and I will be live streaming on YouTube, so make sure you stop in for that, starting 30 minutes before the news comes out. But anyways, to me, it looks like a one, two, three, four. It looks like we potentially need to go up again for a wave five, or maybe it's just a subdivision of a much larger move up. Either way, it seems like it should go up and maybe grab one of these higher Fibonacci levels before we do get a turn back down to the downside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, if this is a wave three, and this is a one, and this is a two, then a wave four should be a crescent to the wave three. So that potentially could go down to like the 38%, maybe do something like this, down to the 38%. And then perhaps when the news comes out, either we'll get like a spike down and then up at the news, or maybe it'll be sitting at one of these fib levels before the news, and then it'll continue up like that for a wave five, or like I said, maybe just a subdivision of a much larger uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.